Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, Your Excellency. You are welcome to the provision of access road to Mabushi. So what is new since the last time you came is that they have started laying asphalt.
The asphalt from here till here. We are continuing now with the stone base and the asphalt will follow. And then when we finish, we will go to the other college.
You are still giving me hope.
Yes.
Those plans. Sometimes I'm referring to that.
It's 3 by 3. 3, you know, it's double.
Another 6.
Another 6 kilometers.
I was trying to say that.
That's all.
Sorry.
Yeah. Welcome once again, Your Excellency. Yeah.
Now, you told me yesterday, that's why I came.
So you can see the bridge is almost getting ready to the distance then.
What time to see Sallah? I get a Zani That's
see how our projects are going, the contractors, whether they're going to meet up at the quality that expected. You know, we don't believe in sitting in the office. Then they're reporting to you what to see with their eyes. I'm happy with what I've seen in Mabuchi area. The other day I started. That is one of the roads, by the grace of God, that the president will inaugurate a study office. Here we are in N1, done by Arab contractors. You can see the quality of job going on. It will not be part of the road that we inaugurated in this June. But we believe that before the end of the year, the job will have been completed. But they are the ones doing the airport to Kuje. And that is the one that will be inaugurated by President in May, June. It's still here. But what's important to us is the quality of job. You can see the happiness of people when you went to the public area. You see the happiness of people. I'm coming here now. Look at the quality of job. I've always said that the people of Africa deserve the best because this is what will launch Nigeria. It will be the capital city of the country. And when people come here, they can use this place as a yardstick to see how other cities in the country are. But if the Abuja is not developed in terms of infrastructure, obviously they will go home with the impression that that's how Nigerian cities are. So I commend the contractors for fulfilling the promises they have made. And on our own part, we'll do all we can to see that we do not like the we will not constitute a hindrance for them to continue to that for the terms of payment. So we're doing everything we can to fulfill our own part. But generally, very much impressed with the quality of job and that's what's needed.
Excellency, Nigeria are very key to know when the bus terminal is to be taken.
As I speak to you, luckily for us, when we had the last Federal Council, the management of that had been approved. Why we did not start it? Because it was above the ministerial approval. And so we have to go to the Federal Executive Council. And now that I've been approved, the management team will be today, and they're putting finishing touches to see that they commence operation soon. But I'm happy that we have waited for long. So the next 2 weeks, 3 weeks shouldn't be what we'll be crying for. What's important that the president in the Federal Council are giving us a go ahead for the management of very well, very well. Very well. In fact, I'd like to this night, I'm going to the venue to check what is going on. I've told you that PDP has gone to stay. I don't know what faction. People who are angry, yes. When a child is angry, well, you try to say you can pacify him. But that does not mean that you allow the child to destroy the house that you have built. So we're happy, even though they have also tried to see the guy reach us. I've met with them, I've met with the governor of Bauchi State, who have discussed, and I've said, look, the convention has to go on, and nobody will stop us. It has to go on.